அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Indian tax law is providing latest amendments by weekly basis. We are going to see the latest amendments of this week. In GST, late fees for GSTR 3B for turnover more than 5 crore in preceding financial year is if the returns are filed after 1st October 2020, the late fees would be rupees 20 per day per return with no tax or rupees 50 per day per return with tax liability subject to a maximum of rupees 10,000 per return. The same will applicable to the turnover less than 5 crores in preceding financial year. Conditions for applicability of late fees may differ from zone to zone for turnover less than 5 crores. Interest for late filing of GSTR 3B for taxpayers having turnover of more than rupees 5 crores in previous year is 0% for Feb 2020 to April 2020 for the period in between normal due dates and the date of applicability of interest at the rate of 9%. 9% interest will be applicable for Feb 2020 from 5th April 2020 to 24th June 2020, from 6th May 2020 to 24th June 2020 for March 2020, from 5th June 2020 to 24th June 2020 for April 2020. 18% will attract from 25th June 2020 for the month of Feb 2020 to April 2020. For May 2020, interest at the rate of 0% will be applicable from 21st June 2020 to 27th June 2020 and 18% from 28th June 2020. For June 2020, the interest at the rate of 18% will attract from 21st July 2020 onwards. Interest for late filing of GSTR 3B for taxpayers having turnover of less than rupees 5 crores in previous year is 0% up to 30th June 2020 for Feb 2020. Conditions for filing return may vary for two different zones for turnover less than 5 crores. For the month of March 2020 to July 2020, conditions for 0% interest will differ between two zones. For in between 0% applicability date and 18% applicability date, the rate of interest is 9%. Interest at the rate of 18% will applicable to all zones from 1st October 2020 onwards. For GSTR 1 monthly return, late fee is nil if the return is filed on or before 10th July 2020 for March 2020, 24th July 2020 for April 2020, 28th July 2020 for May 2020 and 5th August 2020 for June 2020. For quarterly returns, the late fees will be waived if the return is filed on or before 17th July 2020 for Jan 2020 to March 2020 and 3rd August 2020 for the month of April 2020 to June 2020. For more clarifications in late fees and interest for GSTR 3B and 1, please refer our previous videos and future videos. Under income tax, TDS and TCS rates cut by 25% on specified non-salaried payments to be effective from 14th May 2020 to 31st March 2021. New portal for registration of MSME, Udayam registration launched by the government. Self-declaration along with Aadhaar number is sufficient for registration. In case of a company or LLP or a cooperative society or a trust, GSTN and PAN along with its Aadhaar number is to be furnished additionally. MSMEs already having Entrepreneurs Memorandum or Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum registrations etc. will also have to register themselves again on Udayam registration portal. In relation to DGFT, validity of AEO certificates expired or expiring between 1st March 2020 and 30th September 2020 extended up to 30th September 2020. This is not applicable for those entities which have a negative report during this period. Procedure and criteria for submission of applications for export of PPE medical coveralls for COVID-19 issued. Export of only 50 lakh units of PPE medical coveralls for COVID-19 will be allowed every month. Only applications filled from 1st to 3rd day of each month will be considered for the quota of that month. Recognition of pre-shipment inspection agencies extended up to 30th September 2020. In relation to Companies Act, Ministry prescribes procedure for removal of the name of government company from the register of companies. Indemnity bond to be given under form number STK 3A by prescribed officials. Time extension granted for name reservation and resubmission of forms for companies and LLPs. Names reserved for 20 days for new company incorporation. Names expiring any day between 15th March 2020 to 31st July would be extended by 20 days beyond 31st July 2020. Names reserved for 60 days for change of name of company. Names expiring any day between 15th March 2020 to 31st July would be extended by 60 days beyond 31st July 2020. Extension of resubmission validity for companies SRNs where last date of resubmission fails between 15th March 2020 to 31st July 2020. Additional 15 days beyond 31st July 2020 would be allowed. However, for SRNs already marked under NTBR, extension would be provided on case-to-case basis. Names reserved for 90 days for new LLP incorporation or change of name. Names expiring any day between 15th March 2020 to 31st July would be extended by 20 days beyond 31st July 2020. Resubmission validity extension for LLPs. SRNs where last date of resubmission fails between 15th March 2020 to 31st July 2020. Additional 15 days would be allowed from 31st July 2020 for resubmission. However, for SRNs already marked under NTBR, extension would be provided on case-to-case basis. Extension for marketing IEPF file SRNs to pending for rejection under Rule 7 Sub-Rule 3 and pending for rejection under Rule 7 Sub-Rule 7. SRNs where last date of filing e-verification report for both normal as well as resubmission filing fails between 15th March 2020 to 31st July 2020 would be allowed to file the form till 30th September 2020. However, for SRNs already marked under pending for rejection under Rule 7 Sub-Rule 7, extension would be provided on case-to-case basis. In relation to banking laws, Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance 2020 introduced to widen the scope of RBI's supervision and governance over cooperative banks. Such amendments have been brought in to protect the interest of depositors in cooperative banks. The amendments do not apply to primary agricultural credit societies or cooperative societies whose primary object and principal business in long-term finance for agricultural development. Further, such societies should not use the word bank or banker or banking in connection with its name or business and should not act as drawers of checks. Thank you for your patience listening. Don't forget to come back next week for the latest amendments of that week. Keep on watching the YouTube channel Jnanam to keep you updated with updations.